Guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the Reddit videos not playing. So the first step that you may try is hold on to the app for some time. Now simply tap on the eye icon at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down a bit. Now go to the storage section. Here you'll find clear case and clear data option. Tap on both of them. Now clear data, tap on delete to confirm your decision. Now after your data and cache has been deleted, simply close the application and try reopening it. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. For that, turn your Wi-Fi off and turn on your airplane mode on. Now simply wait for 10 to 15 seconds to refresh your Wi-Fi connection. After that, turn it off and again turn back your Wi-Fi. But make sure that you have a strong and reliable connection for the videos to be played in your device. And that's it guys. Now you may enjoy the videos on Reddit. Thank you for watching.